my gosh. Were you watching me the whole time? Okay, well, my name is Jess, and I'm the weird girl who wears the same clothes in all her videos, and hair is looking cray-cray most of the time. But today, I'm going to be doing something to my hair because as you can see, my beautiful twist style is ruined. I did not wrap my hair a couple of nights, and I just haven't been taking care of it because of my busy schedule. It's just a lot going on. So we got this, and this ain't cute, ladies. It ain't cute. So, and as you can see, like, my scalp is dry. I've had the style in for about a week already, so I think it's time to take it out. I do not have time to wash my hair today because I have to go to work, so I'm going to be doing what I love to do when I don't have time, using my CoWash, my favorite CoWash, and my favorite leave-in conditioner to work a quick little magic right now. And then later on in the week when I have time, I can wash my hair. But this stuff is my stuff. Yeah. Oh, hey, stop scratching your scalp. Missy, hey, hello. Hey, you, girl. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Stop. Yeah, stop yourself. Okay, let's take care of this hair transformation now. Whoa, look at me. I'm a sim. No, but for real, look at this. Look at this hair. Nice. I'm telling you, these products, not sponsored, they've just been my go-to. Not too bad for a co-wash, and I haven't even deep conditioned my hair. So, yeah. What a transformation, let me tell you. Alright, so now I'm going to do what I usually do and separate my hair so I can put my leave-in conditioner and then braid it like I usually do. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go to a video where it's more detail. What the heck am I doing? This is what happens when I'm too lazy to go and find a comb. I just find the nearest thing that could work. And if that includes a broken razor, you see, it worked. You gotta improvise, people. And then I just braid my hair like I normally do. And I just realized it's 11:16 and I have to be at work at 1. It takes me about 40 minutes to get to work, so I have to go and rush off to eat. I didn't have any time to edit or film anymore like I planned to do this day, but hey, that's what happens sometimes. And I had to rush out the door right after that because I needed to head to work. I rush over to my friend's house, which is going to be my new house really soon, and I wait for her to get ready to work out. And while I'm waiting for her, I'll just try to hurry up and edit what I can of my video to try to make it on time to post it that same day. And sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't. Today it didn't really work out and it's already really late, so this is why I didn't post this day. And as you can see, I'm trying to eat some cookies before she comes. Not the best pre-workout snack. The next day. have some good news and I have some bad news. I guess I'll say the bad news first. This is going to be my last video of April. Yes. And I've been going back and forth with myself to see if I should try to just stick it out and post as much as I can until the end of April, because I know I said I was going to try to post every day in April. And I think I've been doing pretty well, you know, for someone who was like rarely posting. And now I did miss a few days this month, but I feel like for the most part I did pretty good for my goal. But as you guys know, or I don't know, I've been telling you guys that I'm moving on May 1st and I'm really behind. I have not even packed or anything like that, and it's currently Thursday. It is April 25th. So yeah, and I've been working. Today's gonna be my last day having a babysit. I took the whole weekend off, Friday and everything, so I could have time to pack and do some stuff. And then there's gonna be a lot of stuff going on this weekend. I'm going to the natural hair show. It's like a big natural hair event that you know, that they have every year, and that's gonna be on Sunday. And then I'm also, it's just gonna be like a lot. I'm gonna have to be packing and moving my stuff to my new place and just a lot. I just decided I'm gonna still be filming, okay? I'm gonna be filming everything. I'm gonna be filming like crazy, but as far as me, you know, having to edit and then post, it's just gonna be a lot for me. So I just decided that I wanna have, you know, some time to just focus on that so I don't drive myself crazy, because I'm like so behind already as it is. And I'm gonna come back next weekend. I hope you guys enjoy my posting a lot. I'm not saying that I'm gonna daily post for the rest of the year. I'm just gonna try to keep posting as much as I can. Not making any commitments to daily post just yet. The summer I may have more time because I won't be working that much, so we'll talk about that. But yeah, so I just, you know, I'm proud of myself for where I've come. To be honest, I, you know, have to not be discouraged by the views, and I'm not like big on views, but in all honesty, I did think that I was gonna have, I don't know, I was just like I don't know. In all honesty, like, I guess I expected a little more views than I got. I don't even know how to say this because this like sounds so like petty, but my views really are not the best, and I feel like it's because I haven't been doing like what I usually do, which is just natural hair, because I decided that I was gonna start doing stuff that I want to do and just vlogging and documenting my journey while also putting in, you know, natural hair a little bit at a time. And I know that, you know, people know this channel for natural hair solely because that's what I started off with, but in my head, I don't want to get put in a box, so I feel like a lot of YouTubers get put in a box, and I just want to be able to just post anything on my channel. And with that, I know it was going to have a decline in the views. So yeah, although I'm not really surprised, it's just like, oh well, you know, and that's not even important, because I know I have the actual ones who support everything that I do. I really appreciate you guys so much, like so much. So, and you guys know who you are. Much love to you guys, for real. You guys are true supporters. And then again, it's just a little problem, which is not going to discourage me. I'm still going to keep it up. But I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but it's just different because on Instagram I can like post videos and it can get so many views, and then on YouTube it's like I post similar videos, but it's just, I don't know. So I don't know. And then I stopped Instagram altogether because I decided to focus on YouTube, and then now I haven't posted on Instagram in about a month now, and I feel it's just consistency. Like, I know if I were to keep posting a lot for like a year on YouTube or a few months or whatever, I know that of course, like, you know, over time my views will rise and I get subscribers, but I just feel like, you know, sometimes like maybe I should have not tried to do every day on YouTube, because I stirred away from Instagram, which I was building so much momentum on there because I had a lot of views. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah. So anyways, I'm just gonna take this time away to just focus on life and pack and do all this stuff, making sure I'm blogging, documenting everything for you guys. I promise I will do that. And also trying to focus on Instagram, because I feel like I just left it high and dry, and I can't do that. I can't, like, as an influencer, as a whatever I am, as whatever you would call me, I can't. And maybe here I'll try to do a live every now and then, just, you know, to check in with you guys and say hi. And I know I've been slacking on responding to your comments, by the way, and I'm gonna go back and make sure I reply to all of the comments that I've had since April I started posting. I know that's a big statement, but I'm gonna do it. So if I haven't responded to your comment yet, just wait, give me time, it will be responded to. Because I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the ones who are supporting me, the ones who are commenting, the ones who arrive every day for whatever content that I put out. I like appreciate that so much. I don't know if I mentioned giveaways, but expect giveaways when I come back. Just expect a lot of cool videos, because I'm gonna be recording a lot of cool videos that I've had up my sleeve for a while, but because I've been like daily posting, it's like hard for me to put so much work into a video when I have to edit. It's just like a lot. So this time apart is gonna be good, and I will see you guys in about a week. I can't believe I'm doing this, but I know you guys are gonna understand, and it's for the better. Really, it is. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because I need to go to work. It's about that time. Okay, see you guys soon. Much love.